Welcome! My name is Ronnie and I'm your Sunny trainer. What if your workout moved at your pace? No cords, no limits, just pure momentum. Meet the treadmill that puts you fully in control. Designed to feel natural, powerful, and endlessly motivating, this is cardio stripped down to what really matters: your energy, your effort, and real results. If you want smarter training, stronger runs, and a workout that works as hard as you do, this belongs in your home. Regular cardiovascular exercise like walking and running are some of the most effective ways to support heart health, build stamina, boost lung capacity, and improve overall energy. These simple, natural movements also help burn calories, strengthen the lower body, reduce stress, and support long-term wellness. On a self-powered curved treadmill, those benefits go even further. The belt moves with you, keeping you engaged and encouraging more muscle activation and higher calorie burn. The curved design promotes a more natural stride with lower joint impact, creating a more efficient and dynamic workout. This curved manual treadmill is designed for control, comfort, and versatility. The self-powered design means your movement drives the belt, giving you instant pace control with every step. No electricity required. Magnetic resistance lets you adjust intensity from light walking to strength-focused training. A durable anti-slip belt supports smooth, stable strides, while the digital monitor tracks key metrics at a glance. Bluetooth connectivity also links to the Sunny Fit app for guided workouts, virtual routes, and progress tracking. Compact yet sturdy, it supports up to 330 pounds and is built for reliable, space-efficient home use. Getting started on a self-powered curved manual treadmill is straightforward when you focus on balance, posture, and controlled movement. Start by standing on the side rails and using the front handles for support before stepping onto the belt, letting it move naturally under your feet as you settle in. The treadmill responds directly to your body position. A slightly forward lean from the ankles increases speed, and shifting back and shortening your strides slows it down. When you're ready to stop, simply step back onto the side rails and let the belt come to rest. Focus on smooth, controlled steps that follow the curve of the belt, easing into your pace as you learn how the treadmill responds. With mindful form and small adjustments, the movement quickly becomes intuitive, creating a confident and fluid walking or running rhythm. Storage is simple and hassle-free thanks to the built-in transport wheels that make it easy to move the treadmill when not in use. Roll it into place for workouts and tuck it away afterwards without heavy lifting. This flexibility makes it a practical choice for home gyms, garages, or shared spaces where efficient use of space matters. Bring smarter cardio into your home with a treadmill that moves with you. The Sunny Health and Fitness Curved Manual Treadmill delivers control, durability, and a more natural running experience. It's an ideal choice for anyone ready to elevate their daily training. Backed by over 20 years of experience and a 3-year structural frame warranty, it's built for lasting performance and everyday confidence. Take the next step towards stronger, more purposeful workouts, add it to your routine, and feel the difference every time you move.